topic is factor analysis and conjoint analysis. What is factor analysis? Factor analysis is a multivariate method. It is a statistical technique to identify the underlying factors among a large number of interdependent variables. It seeks to extract common factor variances from a given set of observations. It splits a number of attributes or variables into a smaller group of uncorrelated factors. It determines which variables belong together. This method is suitable for the cases with a number of variables having a high degree of correlation. Application of factor analysis. Model building for new product development. As pointed out earlier, a real-life situation is highly complex and it consists of several variables. A model for the real-life situation can be built by incorporating as many features of the situation as possible. But then, with a multitude of features, it is very difficult to build such a high idealistic model. A practical way is to identify the important variables and incorporate them in the model. Factor analysis seeks to identify those variables which are highly correlated among themselves and find a common factor which can be taken as a representative of those variables. Based on the factor loading, some of variables can be merged together to give a common factor, and then a model can be built by incorporating such factors. Identification of the most common feature of a product preferred by the consumer will be helpful in the development of new products. Then, model building for consumers. Another application of factor analysis is to carry out a similar exercise for the respondents instead of the variables themselves. Using the factor loading, the respondents in a research survey can be sorted out into various groups in such a way that the respondents in group have more or less homogeneous opinion on the topic of the survey. Thus, a model can be constructed on the group of consumers. The result emanating from such an exercise will guide the management in evolving appropriate strategies towards market segmentation. What is conjoint analysis? A product or service has several attributes. By an attribute, we mean a characteristic, a property, a feature, a quality, a specification, or an aspect. A buyer's decision to purchase a good or service is based on not just one attribute, but a combination of several attributes. That is, he is concerned with a join of attributes. Therefore, finding out the consumer's preference for individual attributes of a product or service may not yield accurate result for a marketing research problem. In view of this fact, conjoint analysis seeks to find out the consumer's preference for a join of attributes. That is, a combination of several attributes. Steps in development of conjoint analysis. The development of conjoint analysis comprises of the following steps. Collect a list of the attributes of a product or a service. For each attribute, fix a certain number of points or marks. The more the number of points for an attribute, the more serious the consumer's concern on that attribute. Select a list of combination of various attributes. Decide a mode of presentation of attributes to the respondents to the study. That is, whether it should be in written form or oral form or a pictorial representation, etc. Inform the combination of the attributes to the prospective customers. Request the respondents to rank the combination or to rate them on a suitable scale or to choose between two different combinations at a time. Decide a procedure to aggregate the responses from the consumer. Any of the following procedures may be adopted. That are, go by the individual responses of the consumer, put all the responses together and construct a single utility, split the responses into a certain number of segments such that within each segment the preferences would be similar. Then choose the appropriate technique to analyze the data collected from the respondents. Identify the most preferred combination of the attributes and incorporate the result in designing a new product, construction of advertisement copy, etc. Thank you.